Oui, from the Kaiser Franz Josef Quelle. I'm back again. I need some spring water. And when I was coming here today, I was face to face with the bird. The bird was in the nest, so I think there are eggs in. So maybe I can film for you baby birds very soon. That would be very great. Yeah, spring water is the best water. Research Victor Schauberger. Maybe you have a spring in your town, in the wood. Yeah. I wanna give a shout to Martin Liedke. Today is Happy Flatter Day. Also, much love to you, Santos. Thank you for the help. Also, much love to you, Sean Hebler and Victoria. And Tanner, the Flat Earth millionaire. Also, much love to you, Corinna. I hope we see us soon. I met Corinna, the Flat Earth girl, here, where the bird's nest is. Also, much love to Vika and to everybody who works for the truth. Also, much love to you, Shelley, and Sonia Bonacci, and to Daniela, my flat thumbs, Dani. And here is an insect. Yeah. I hope we see us soon. Ciao, everybody. Have a great weekend. It's super hot in Austria. We have about 28 degrees, but the sky is sprayed. Also, much love to you, Alex Meckel. Alex's album will come out in 1 week or something like this. I can't wait. But I have to wait. Beautiful in the wood. Beautiful. Alright, so flat thumbs. Ciao.